This is a Dynaway step-by-step guide on how to create downtime from the assets tree. From the toolbar, select Assets and then click on Assets Tree. Right-click the asset you want to create downtime for and select Register Downtime. In the Starting Date Time field, select the calendar icon and click on the starting date of the downtime. In the Ending Date Time field, select the calendar icon and click on the ending date of the downtime. In both date fields, you can click the time to edit it and write a new time. Enter a description of the downtime, for instance, what caused it. Click Register to finish the creation of downtime. In the window, select Yes if you want to open the downtime card. On the downtime card you can make changes to the downtime or create a work order based on the downtime.